Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Abigail, aka Chocolate Abby, and I know I have not been posting content for a while now, but I just wanted to come to you guys real quick to tell you about Glamlife's lace tint that I have been obsessing over for the past month since I've been introduced to it. So the lace tint, it actually comes in 3 different colors, and my favorite of the 3 colors is chocolate because chocolate blends so well with my skin tone. So for the unit that I'm wearing right now, it's a synthetic wig that I just had on my mannequin for a while just for decorative purposes, and since we have the quarantine, I decided to just play a little bit of makeup and try out the lace tint. I'm actually not trying it out because I wore it before and I loved it, but I wanted to try it on this blonde wig. So I did film a clip of how the wig looked before and when I sprayed it.
The girl and them say them want wine and make we deal with it. This is no long kinda sing out. I just want the girl them broke out. No time to think about it. It's a bashment soca. I feel fi fling out. Don't matter which country you come from, baby. Make your bumper roll. Let your waistline go. All the girls just roll your bumper them. Just roll it, please, man. When the alcohol hit and you start feeling nice, I want you bend out your back and roll. Bend your back and roll. Everybody in the party big up. Independent ladies thing up. It's your money, that's right. You work, you grind, buy right. Your thing must turn up. It don't matter which country you come from, baby. Make your bumper roll. Let your waistline go. All the girls just roll.
I am loving the way the lace just melted with my natural scalp after applying that lace tint to the wig. This product is definitely a must-have for all of you sisters that like to wear wigs. This product is definitely a must-have. I really love it, no lies. I'm not just saying that, I do love it. It's not film when I was actually applying the wig to my head, but I'll just do that in another video for you guys. So thank you for watching. See you guys in my next one.